Alright, so we're doing the S550. We're going to be replacing the spark plugs. First thing you want to do is just remove your covers. This one you just pull up on. It comes out of your way. Take these two ducts out. Just pull it here. One here. And I'll show you how to remove the air filter housing. Alright, your two ducts are out the way. Back here, you just push back on that clip. Just like that. Now you want to remove this hose. Hose is removed. Now you just pretty much pull up on your whole housing. Pull from the back. And get it up. Alright, once that's removed, exposes your coil packs. It's an 8-cylinder. So let's start from here. There's a locking tab on it. I'm going to unlock it. There's a pick. As you pull back on your lock, you see those are still inside. Pull back on your lock. Now you can remove your plug from your coil pack. Okay, once your plug's removed, those two screws, they're T30 Torx. T30. Once you remove both your T30s, you just go and pull up on your pack. And remove it all the way. And you can see your spark plug down in the hole. Just need a 5/8 spark plug socket, a little extension, ratchet. They were running NGK, but I recommend you use the Bosch for this car. So we're going to install that now. Alright, our new Bosch spark plug is installed. We're going to reinstall our coil pack. Coil's packed back in. I'm going to reinstall our T30s. T30s are installed. Now we're going to plug back in your electrical connector. Electrical connector plug in. Now you just want to lock back that lock tab. Okay, lock tab's installed. Now we're just going to continue with the rest. Same process. There's an 8-cylinder, so there's 4 on each side. Alright, so once you do all 8 of your spark plugs, make sure they're all plugged in and locked. Just reinstall your duct or your air filter box. Make sure that piece goes in here. Pull back up your clip. Reinstall your front cover. Put back in your 2 air filter ducts, and that's the S550 spark plug replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.